Welcome to this video, everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to apply gradient to text in CSS. So we are going to zoom in. So this is the H1, and you see this is that H1 here on the browser. So we can style it. So we can say style, all right? And then we are going to say H1 to select that H1 element. And we are going to use background image to add a linear gradient. So linear dash gradient, just like that. And then you open two parentheses. So now we can say, for example, 90 degrees, all right? 90 degrees, red, comma, purple. So you see we have added a background to it, all right? So we have added a background to this element. So now let's say that I want this gradient to be applied to this text. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the color to transparent. So color transparent. All right, so you see as I set the color to transparent, my text is still there, but you can't see it. All right, so now what we'll do is we will use the background clip. So I'm going to say background dash clip, and I'm going to say text. And now you see we have that background applied, or applied that we have applied that gradient to this text. We have successfully applied, and now we can change the colors. For example, even if I change it to white, you'll see that this side will be white and this one will be red, and I can change it to green and whatever color I want. Maybe I want this one to be a little bit darker. So you see we have a nice gradient applied to that H1. And this could be any text element. For example, even if this one was a paragraph, all right? So let's say that it was a paragraph. It would work. Instead of saying H1 here, I would say a paragraph, all right? So as long as your selector is correct, you'll notice that it is going to be applied to it. Now let me add a long paragraph here. So if you just type in lorem and if you press enter, you'll notice that VS Code will add some long text that doesn't make sense. But you see, this is basically it, all right? So we have used this background gradient on this text element. So I hope you liked the video, everyone, and this is basically how you do it.